Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance on your laptop. First, you will need to create your Binance account. This involves using a valid email address or phone number. After that, complete the identity verification process. This is crucial for unlocking all platform features. Finally, ensure your account is secure by setting up two-factor authentication, adding an essential layer of protection to your digital assets. Once your account is set up, the next step is funding it. You can deposit existing cryptocurrency from an external wallet directly to your unique Binance address. Alternatively, purchase crypto using a credit card or a bank transfer, which is a straightforward method. For more flexibility, explore the peer-to-peer trading options, allowing you to acquire digital assets using your local currency from other users. Now, let's dive into trading. The spot trading interface is where you will buy and sell various digital assets. You can place different order types, such as market orders for immediate execution, limit orders to set a specific price, or stop limit orders for advanced strategies. Always monitor your open orders and review your trade history to keep track of your investment performance and decisions. Finally, managing your assets and maintaining security are paramount. Regularly review your portfolio balance and understand your asset distribution across different cryptocurrencies. When you need to, withdraw your cryptocurrency to external wallets securely. Furthermore, enable advanced security features, such as anti-phishing codes, to protect yourself from malicious attempts and ensure your funds remain safe on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.